Hi everyone, so I'm back to share some journals with you. These are not decorated journals. These are what I'm going to call obviously naked, bare base journals, beginners journals. They are made using various papers. I've got vintage book papers in there. There is, I think there's like 1 page of digital in each one, and then there's just like a variety of different pages. So in total, they are all fabric covered. And you see I've dressed them up really nicely. That just slips off. That's just cardstocking, and I've made that up in Canva. So we have got 4 of these, and they measure, sorry, I'm just hiding all my mess with this big cover. They measure, sorry, there's still little bits of fluff stuck to them, 8.5 by 5. So there's 4 of them. I can't remember how many pages, but they will be on the listings because these are going straight into my coffee shop, and they will be cheap. There will be cheap shipping as well. So I'm just gonna show you like the covers of these, and I will get all the fluff off of these. It's, you know, when you cut in fabric, it's everywhere. I walked downstairs earlier and my legs were literally covered in tiny, like thousands of little pieces. So we've got that the traveler's notebook size, which is 8.5 by 4, just slightly more than 4 1/4. Right, so I'm going to start by showing you these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to speed through them because there's not a lot of talking that needs to be done, because there's not a lot of explanations. There is, like I said, there's vintage book pages, there's children's book pages, there is England as a Garden book pages, but if you want to know anything whilst I'm speeding through these, then just fire away. I'm just going to play some music and you can watch me do the flip throughs of these. I also added some stitching to some of the pages, not all of them, probably about 3 pages per journal. Just thought I'd mention that quickly.